Alright, back in Valheim. Cap here. We continue building this dock. And I think I'm going to go out that way a bit, and that way a bit. And let's get out here and get this going. This, I think, here, create a snap point. Will that work if I go all the way down? I think it will. No, that's too high. Let's get this stuff back. I think I brought it down. I think I did this way. Let's get rid of that one. Oops, wrong one. There it fell. Alright. That's what I did. And I head down low. That should work. Try that up here. Water. Should be alright. We'll see. No. That was a little crooked. Retrieve that wood. Well, if I retrieved the wood, didn't want to fall in the water. There's 3, there's going to be 2. We'll see. We'll see. Facing the right way. Up. No, not that far up. Is it that high up? No, it's actually down. Not that far down, is it? Let's see if I can connect it to this one. That's there. No, that's too high. No, that's too high. All this wood. Maybe if I connect at the bottom. Try that. Yeah, I think that's the ticket. Out of there, come on, jump out of there. Can't jump out of there. That sucks. Alright. see any of that, so that's fine. Hoping this works. Oop. Someone said I should have made the entire thing out of stone, but stone's kind of hard to deal with in the water. And we're going to want to take that out. And we're going to want to do the same thing we did over here. There. And let's, this is the easy way. There. That. Do that. We'll get that wood later. Need some more core wood. And I think I'm going to want a storage going out that way, so I'll probably take these stairs out and bring that out some more that way. And do a little bit of that too. What's this? This one's my wood. You can go over there too. You can go there. Grab some core wood. At least a couple stacks. And we'll grab a couple 3 stacks. Because there we go. Alright, this is my plan for the dock. Do the same over on this side. I'm gonna go out, I'm not sure how many, at least a couple. 3 maybe. Like that. Like that. I should have it that way too, but we'll go this way. Let's bring these out a couple. See if I can reach these ones. I should be able to. Maybe not. Oh, almost fell off. And of course I fall off. Wonderful. Wonderful. Alright, go around. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all these stairs. Might as well do that now. I don't have any regular wood on me. Let's make this a little easy on myself. So at least have a platform to walk on. Have to be perfect, but it'll get me out there a little ways, a little easier. There we go. Alright, let's start with this side. Oh, I don't have a workbench out this far. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna hide all that stuff, like I did over here, so you won't see any of that. Workbench. Crafting. There we go. Alright, back to building. Oh no, I want this one. Blue? No, it's yellow. That's better. That one's blue. I think that should be far enough out. Any farther is going to be harder to build. At least build down into the water. So we'll leave it like that. Oh, that's as far as that one is. No, that's maybe even. Yeah, that should be even. I'm just looking at it at a funky angle. How's that one? That one's blue, good. That one's yellow. Green. Alright, we'll go with that. And we'll want to end cap it. Oh, wrong one. That one. That. We'll do the same on the other side. Kind of want to go further out. I think I should. Let's give it a whirl. Let's do this first. You can always take that out later. Yeah, I think I want to go one more pole out. Just put me at the edge. Yeah. I think that would do. Green, good. That's all. Okay, that's green. Alright, let's get over to where I can see. Yeah, this is where it gets tricky. Trying to build in the water. There we go. Another workbench. I'm just at the radius, I think. Oh, good. All right. That's actually going to be the end. That one. Well, getting nighttime. Alright, you know the routine. Gonna grab some daylight and be back and continue. Okay, morning time. And of course, everyone's favorite, fog. Do I have a stone cutter out here? I thought I did. I don't right now. Alright, gotta go get one. I need... Thought I had one in here. I thought I moved that. Had one somewhere. Nothing there. Guessing I have been replacing all of my sconces with lanterns. I'll be doing that over there in a little bit. Probably won't do that on camera. It's whatever. Okay, I need 2 iron. That's this one. No. This one? Yes. Iron, I got 10 wood, and I think 4 stone. Yep, 4 stone. Oops. It's a good thing I got some stone here. Dock in progress. Now then, let's stone cut it down. Heavy build. Of course, I don't have no stone on me, but that's okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Now I got a little bit of stone on me. These ones. Requirement. Alright, we'll grab some stone. Let's get rid of this wood. Don't need the wood right now. You see the iron there, that's for chests. And what I'm gonna wanna do is make a little storage hub for extra storage. So it's gonna come out this way. A little bit, and we're gonna have storage. Okay, now I want to put About one more. More set of 3. And go. Well, I can't really go that way. I got that other rock there. Could get rid of it. Gonna have to. Nothing for it. There we go. Don't care, I'm bearing the flint. Not going to be a big storage hub, but it'll be a storage hub. Oh, good. The fog's clearing. Just a little storage hub. More stone. Only little. Okay. Let's see if we can shift click this into place. Let's give ourselves a snapping point maybe. No, it wants to snap there. That's not quite the middle. So I'm not going to get a stone cutter. Come on. Go there. Go there. We can put grass back later. Ugh. I want my stairs back. There we go. Well, still not the middle. I'm going to put another stair there. That rock is in the way. Really didn't want to get rid of these rocks. There we go. Alright, that's in the middle. Oop. I think I also want stairs here. Let's do this first. I think I want stairs there as well. Two sets of stairs there? No, let's just put stairs there, not there. Or should we just... Yeah, we'll just put stairs all the way across. Because we can. That 50 stone went fast. Well, yeah, I'm kind of liking that. now for some walls. Put this stone away. Gonna need some tar too. Grab that. Grab that. Grab that. Oh no, wait, let's grab that too. Because I kind of want the same theme with the core wood I have here going around all this, so. Okay, now I'm going to want to use the regular wood. Let me create snap points. Core wood pole there. Core wood pole there. Why? Why don't you wish to snap like your brethren? Fine, we'll do it this way. Do one here too. A little taller, but that's okay. Let's grab a short one. And underneath. That looks better. Put one here too. I can see. There we go. This the easy way since you want to be difficult. All those down. Alright, now then we will go. Regular wood beam. And then log beam. Fine. There. There we go. Walls, I'm not sure. Let's go get some tar. And put the wood away. I know I have some tar in the house. Gonna want the tar roof. I don't know if I have a lot of tar, but don't have any in there. Some. There's some. I think I have more at my old base. Don't think I have any in there. No. Well, we'll start with this. You know, I'm kind of wanting an overhang, so get some wood. If I can do this correctly. So I'm going to want my corners to sit. Afternoon already. This time flies when you don't know what you're doing. Okay, now then. Scaffolding. Which wood do I got? Okay, looks like some decent scaffolding. Which wood do I got? I'll go grab another couple stacks, because I'm going to use a whole bunch to have that dock to work on. Let's see, which way do I want this to go? Oops. Jumped right off the stupid thing. That's a good start. Some more scaffolding on this side. I'll do this from the inside. the other way. Do it. Almost time to go grab some more daylight. Oh, there we go. That'll do nicely. I think. Yeah. Alright. Back when I can see. Alright, daytime. Got my stuff repaired. Now we can start putting a little bit of roof on here. Did I want that on the inside? I think I did. I think I actually did. Well, maybe I didn't. I think I did. I want it on the inside. Alright. Tear all this down, put it on the inside corner. I put it on the outside corner. Be right back. Alright, that's what I wanted. Now then, to our roof. Nope. Excuse me. Goodness gracious. Couple of these up here so I can actually stand up there. All right. Oh, I missed. Hammer was in the way, couldn't quite see. There we go. Oh! I'm too fly with the feather cape. Let's try that again. There we go. There we go. That's better. That's what I wanted. That's more like it. Just continue at least one side. I'm gonna have to get down. And there. And there. See? That was my scaffolding. Scaffolding's in the way. Go. There we go. There's that one. That one. Yeah, come on, one more. Go. Oh, good. Looks like I might have enough tar to finish this off. No, come on. Snap where I want you to. Snap to where I want you to. Go. Oh, that looks good. Let's get up here. There we go. That's better. Auto snapping. There we go. That's the ticket. That's what I was looking for. Oh, of course, I'm missing a requirement. Boo. Well, I'm not going to be able to get up there with that. There we go. Now I can get up there. I so love the feather cape. Let me just float down. Almost used all my tar. And I had enough. Good deal. Got this side. I was working on the other side. wonder if I can get it from down here. Yep. Excellent. Get rid of one. Nice. Coming along quite nicely. Alright. Oops. I didn't want to get rid of that. I'll replace that in a second. What do I want to do there? Yeah. I like that. Let's do that over here. And then where's the point for the snap? Nope, there it was. There it is. Okay, the snap point, there we go. Looks the same, yeah. It doesn't look the same. What did I do wrong? I did that backwards. I did that backwards. I did that backwards. Wonderful. That wood. And that way. Then this one. There we go. I'd say that looks pretty good. Where are we at for time? Oh, just about out of time. But this is going to be my storage. Well, let's Let's replace that stone. I think it was this one. Yep. Where's that one? There we go. This will be my storage. I'll probably have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 fine wood boxes. And you gotta figure out how to do. I might just leave it open like that. I think 20 boxes should be plenty. Maybe should use some of these darkwood dividers. Yeah, all the way across, all the way around with the darkwood dividers, and maybe some darkwood arches, just to not quite in, like right there-ish. Like right there-ish. And that could be alright. Well, that's enough for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And cap out.